After 3 years of dedicated research, eFlow's 4HPC has introduced a high-performance computing workflow platform that enables the deployment of complex software to simulate and predict climate change, induced natural disasters, manufacturing processes, and other critical digital twins essential for the 21st century. In manufacturing, eFlow's 4HPC has advanced in the creation of reduced order models to improve productivity and innovation, aligning with Industry 4.0 and the factories of tomorrow. Our climate workflows have equipped researchers with sophisticated tools by combining simulations and AI for detecting tropical cyclones and other climate events, helping deliver crucial insights into our planet's complex climate systems. eFlow's 4HPC has been instrumental in urgent computing, providing workflows to achieve readiness in real-time solutions for critical events, enhancing decision-making during severe emergencies. At its core, the eFlow's 4HPC software stack offers a flexible and robust platform, enabling HPC workflow as a service to users everywhere. Through an open-source ecosystem that makes use of the HPC resources in an easy, efficient, and responsible way. At the same time, enabling the accessibility and reusability of applications to reduce the time to solution. A key element for the development of the computational workflows is PyComs, which enable the development of workflows that combine HPC, AI, and data analytics. PyComs is powered by a runtime able to support dynamicity in the execution of the workflows, fault tolerance, and reactivity to exceptions. One of our pivotal innovations for workflow deployment, the Container Image Creation Service, or CIC, developed by the Barcelona Supercomputing Center, epitomizes efficiency and technological sophistication. This service automates the crafting of container images, fine-tuned for specific HPC platforms, streamlining the installation of complex software systems. With the CIC service, we're harnessing the maximum performance from HPC systems, simplifying the deployment of new workflows, and broadening access to cutting-edge computing resources. The integration of this tool with the eFlow's 4HPC software stack exemplifies our mission to simplify workflow management, opening up the world of HPC to innovators across disciplines. The dedication and collaboration of our partners has been key in driving innovation and achieving our goals. This project lays the groundwork for a future where high-performance computing is central to solving and managing current challenges.